What's up, guys? My name is Najee, and welcome to Exhaust Notes. If you're into cars, culture, real builds, and stories that actually mean something, then you're in the right place. This right here is my E55 AMG. And sure, it's fast, but to me, it's more than that. It all means something. Each mod, each moment, the ups and the downs, it's been with me the entire time. For me, it's all part of the journey. Based out of SoCal, so if you know, you know. The car scene here is wild. Imports, Euros, Canyon Runners, Drift, JDM, you name it. I'm all about capturing the soul behind the car. The why, not just the what. So you'll see event coverage, installs, builds, owner interviews. Ultimately, this is about expression. Every exhaust note says something. And this channel is to help tell those stories. So if you got a passion and love for cars like I do, hit that subscribe button. Let's take this journey together.